Today I'm diving into Midjourney's new external image editor. I'm transforming portraits to timeless vintage image. Hope this feature is interesting to you all too. Let me show you what I discovered with this new retexture feature. I've been using it to turn modern portraits into vintage photo. Midjourney will not clone a person photo exactly as it is. It always distorts the feature when using character reference, but this external editor, if I'm lazy just type vintage portrait, the result aren't that impressive, or we should say it looks very different. But when I put in more effort, like vintage photo of an attractive young man with brown hair and more details into the prompt, the results are much better. And here's the exciting part. When I add an image as the character reference in this external image editor, wow, this is something that I have been looking for.